let's go under the sea and make a tasty lunch for you and me.
And our turtle has a head.
Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
Yay! Keep going, Phoebe! Oh, look! A sinkhole! Phoebe, I think that is a turtle. I think the turtle is hungry. I have an idea. Excuse me, turtle. Would you like us to make you a healthy lunch? I got this. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Fizzy, Pop. I don't understand that either. Oops. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Fizzy, Pop.
Hello! Let's go under the sea and make a tasty lunch for you and me.
Miss Hands!
Oh, we're gonna need a fin.
Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Whoa, we're under the sea. That is pretty awesome.
And we're so hungry.
I can hear that, turtle. Let's make a lunch that won't hurt the environment. First, let's make a sandwich. We have our bread and our peanut butter. Let's make the sandwich. Now we close up our sandwich like that. And I have this really super cute Seahorse cookie cutter. Let's cut it out.
Miss Hands, can we have the extra pieces of bread, please?
You sure can, Phoebe. We don't want to waste any. Let's give our Seahorse an eye so he can see where he's going when he's swimming under the sea. Oh, he's gone. Bye, little Seahorse. See you in the lunchbox. We need to keep our lunchbox healthy, so let's add in some fruit.
Oh, oranges are my favorite.
Me too. I love oranges. That gives me a really good idea. Let's make a turtle cracker. Ooh, these crackers even look like a turtle shell. Can you see those little bumpy bits there? Right. Now, we need to give him some flippers, so we can use some pieces of orange. If we break these up, and we can put them like that, move those way. One on that side, and one down here, and one over here. So our turtle has 1, 2, 3, 4 flippers. Now let's see, he also needs a head.
Can we use a strawberry? That's my favorite.
Of course, Phoebe, I have one right here. Let's just place it there. And our turtle has a head. Did you know that turtles are one of the longest living reptile groups in the world?
Really, Miss Hands?
Yup. Certain species can live up to 150 years.
Wow, that's a long time. Can I make a sea creature?
Sure, Phoebe.
Yay! Oh, jelly, 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 jelly. Jellyfish, jellyfish.
Oh, this is an awesome jellyfish, Phoebe. We have blueberries and strawberry and raisins for tentacles. Woohoo, look at those. Let's send it to the lunchbox.
There are so many creatures under the sea. They think there are around 3 trillion fish in the ocean.
Ooh, interesting. How many shells do you think there are?
A lot?
It's certainly more than I have here. I have some pasta shells and some yummy cooked spinach. And I'm going to use a spoon and put a little bit in each shell. And I'm going to pretend that's seaweed. Into the lunchbox we go.
Is our lunchbox full yet?
I think we should add one more kind of fruit. Ooh, we have a juicy slice of watermelon. So I'm going to take this star-shaped cookie cutter and make some watermelon starfish. Press it right down. There we go. And there's one. And again. And did you know there are around 1,600 different kinds of starfish? Isn't that incredible? There's two. Let's do one more, I think. Press it right in. And out it comes. We have 3 watermelon starfish. Let's add our starfish to the lunchbox. Let's see what we have in our lunchbox. We have our Seahorse peanut butter sandwich, a cracker turtle, Phoebe's jellyfish, pasta shells with yummy spinach seaweed, and our watermelon starfish.
Whoa, that looks awesome! I love the...
Uh-oh, he started talking turtle again. Thanks for all your help, Turtle. We'd better get you back to shore. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.